Hello little artist. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. We start the drawing. We draw the cutting part. Here, we draw the leaves. Next we draw some small circle. To draw the grapes. One by one, we draw the circle of the grapes. We draw it very carefully. Now, it's time to coloring. Green color. Grapes are small, round fruits that grow in clusters on vines. Purple color. They come in various colors, like green, red, and purple. Grapes are sweet and juicy, making them a popular snack. They can be eaten fresh, dried as raisins, or used to make juice and wine. Grapes are a good source of vitamins and antioxidants. Grapes grow on vines, which are like trees for grapes. They grow in bunches, like little green or purple balls. Grapes are sweet and juicy, perfect for a snack. Some grapes are green, some are red, and some are purple. Grapes are a type of berry, like strawberries or blueberries. They are a good source of vitamins and minerals. You can eat grapes fresh, right off the vine. Grapes can be dried to make raisins. Raisins are sweet and chewy, like little dried grapes. Grapes can be used to make juice and wine. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.